Top 5 Keto Recipes. Hello there, friends, and welcome to Lost Geek. I just want to ask you a simple question. Are you tired of looking for diet routines and low-calorie foods? If so, you have come to the right place. Get your inner diet geek on as I bring to you today the top 25 easiest keto food recipes keeping your diet goals on track. Number 5. Keto Thai Cream Broccoli Soup. Number 5 on our list is the Asian cultured cuisine, the Thai broccoli soup. Imbued with exotic flavors of Thai culture, this soup provides us with just the right number of macros with a very short cooking time. Number 4. Keto Truffles. Taking the number 4 spot on our list are the ever so versatile and easy to make Keto Truffles. This 4-ingredient recipe does not compromise on the flavor and packs a punch using only cheese, baking powder, egg, and almond or coconut flour as the ingredients. Number 3. Instant Pot Salsa Chicken. The recipe that sits at the 3rd spot on our list is also a cultured cuisine dish originating from Mexico. It is the pot salsa chicken, which takes only about 30 minutes to make, but is a crowd pleaser even for the carb lovers in your house. Number 2. Crispy Parmesan Roasted Brussels Sprouts. Looking for a vegetarian dish? If so, then this spot on the list is just for you. The 2nd spot goes to the Parmesan Roasted Brussels Sprouts. This dish will definitely leave you craving for more. The simply seasoned and roasted Brussels provides a divine treat for the taste buds while keeping the calories in check. Number 1. Almond flour bread. Topping our list in the keto diet is the appetizing almond flour bread. Made with a surprisingly small number of easily available ingredients, this mixture of 6 kitchen necessities tops it all in terms of flavor, texture, and sweetness, and can be made in quickly as 90 seconds. Well guys, these were my top 5 keto recipes that you definitely need to try, and believe me, they will not disappoint. Check the links to the recipes in the description box below. If you're looking to accelerate your weight loss goal, check out the link in the description below for a vitamin you need to take before bed to speed up your results. This is all from me today. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It'll boost me to make more enjoyable videos. Lost Geek, signing off. Be sure to take care of your health. Goodbye!